I'm Kristen Brogan. I am a registered dietitian, author, superfood chef, yoga instructor, and mindful living expert. I work as a chief nutrition officer for my family-owned health and performance company On Target Living. In my role, I teach a lifestyle that blends mindful eating, mindful moving, and mindful living. It's a lifestyle where you don't have to give anything up. In fact, you can have so much more. The reason I became a dietitian is because I wanted to show people that you don't have to live on the extreme side of anything, and that you can live a healthy lifestyle that is fun, flavorful, without giving up the things that you love. My daily routine is anything but normal, and my job takes me in all different directions. When I am not on the road traveling for speaking events, I usually wake up, I chug some water, I drink my wheatgrass, I fit in some daily movement, I eat my oatmeal on the run, and I start my workday of emails, consultations, event planning, maybe sales calls, and maybe some blogging and some writing. The cool thing is that my routine stays pretty much the same even when I travel, because it's a lifestyle that I can take with me anywhere. I never leave the house without my pink tennis shoes, my yoga clothes, superfoods, and lots of healthy snacks. My dream as a culinary artist is to have a weekly cooking show on Food Network. Maybe call it delicious, it's my favorite word, or something like Superfood Chef Throwdown. I want to show people how fun it can be to cook healthy and delicious meals that are simple and easy. Showing people that you don't have to give anything up to live healthy, all you have to do is make everything better, inspires me and motivates me as a culinary artist. It's about finding a healthy lifestyle that's full of the things that you love. It's about blending healthy and flavorful in a way that's fun and repeatable.